Hello students, this is the second part of the video. In first part, we have discussed aim, material and theory. Now we are going to discuss its procedure, how we are going to perform the experiments. So for this, you must have mature, appropriate flour. Students, as you can see, I have a hibiscus flower in my hand, and in this flower you will easily able to see this. These are the pollen grains, and at the top stigma is there. So before taking this flower, we must dust the pollen grains on the stigma. Since it is a bisexual flower where you can see male and female gametes both are there on this flower, so pollen germination has already taken place. Now we will remove the stigma along with style. So let us remove the stigma. Now I am going to take this stigma on the slide. I think you will able to see the stigma region along with his style. Now on this I have put few drops of water. Okay. So students, now I am going according to your book. It has another way also to show the pollen germination, but in your book the method which is applied that I am going to tell you. Now on this I am going to crush it with the help of needle. You have to crush it very carefully and very gently so that its pollen tube does not rupture. Okay, so now I have crushed it with the help of needle, and then we can take the aid of any staining color, either it is cotton blue or safranine. Since I have safranine, so I am going to put few drops of safranine color on it. So I have taken few drops of safranine coloring pigment on it. Now we will wait for half or 1 minute so that the pollen tube get stained. In some books it is written that when we have taken out the pollen, this stigma, we used to put it in water, heat it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we take the stigma on the slide. This is all done just so that we can easily rupture the stigma region. This we can do in the petri dish also or in the watch glass also. I am doing it here so that I can show it to you. Now I am going to wash it so that excess of water can be removed. Okay students, so you can see I have removed the excess of water. Now I will put cover slip. Students, you can see this is cover slip. So with the help of needle or blade we can carefully, I am doing it with the help of blade, carefully we will put the cover slip on it. I have placed the cover slip on it. Students, now you can see the section on the slide. So in this way we used to prepare the slide to show pollen growth on the stigma. Now after this we will put the slide under the microscope and then we will observe the pollen tube. Students, this is how we used to do this experiment. After this you have to take some precautions for this experiment. First of all, you should take a mature pollinated flower, and second thing, your slide should be neat and clean, and then when you are going to crush the stigma or style region, then crush it very carefully so that you cannot rupture the pollen tube. Students, this is all about this experiment. We will meet to you next time with another experiment. So stay at home and stay safe. Thanks.